Hello EDC tool enthusiasts, welcome back. Today we are breaking down the best EDC gadgets 2026 has to offer. If you're looking to upgrade your everyday carry kit, you know the market is currently flooded with new tech and survival tools. But which ones actually deserve a spot in your pocket? From minimalist titanium multi-tools like the Leatherman Wave Alpha to the latest high-lumen pocket flashlights, I've tested the top-rated Amazon EDC finds and future tech to see what's truly worth your money. We're looking at durability, fidget factor, and real-world utility. Whether you're into tactical gear or minimalist preparedness, these are the must-have gadgets you'll regret not buying sooner. Let's dive into the ultimate EDC lineup for 2026. Capture every adventure effortlessly. The Hoverair flying camera foldable drone is the world's first 8K at 30 frames per second flying action camera, built for creators who want cinematic footage without complex controls. With Smooth Capture 2.0, a 2-axis gimbal, EIS, and horizon leveling, it delivers stable, sharp video even at speeds up to 42 km per hour. Featuring 10+ fully automatic flight modes and omni-terrain capability, it flies over snow, water, and rugged ground with ease. Portable, foldable, and hands-free, it's perfect for hiking, cycling, skiing, and vlogging anywhere you go. Shave smarter, not harder. The Laifen Blade Electric Shaver features the world's first dual linear high-speed motors, delivering 12,000 cuts per minute for a powerful yet smooth shave. Its ultra-thin foil and precision stainless steel blades handle coarse beards with minimal irritation. Built from aerospace-grade aluminum with a sleek motor window design, it's both durable and stylish. IPX7 waterproof for wet or dry use, it offers 100 minutes of runtime with fast USB-C charging. Compact and travel-friendly, it's designed for daily grooming at home or on the go. A small gas leak can turn into a big danger fast. The Toptes natural gas leak detector helps you quickly locate combustible sources like methane, propane, butane, and LPG to protect your home and family. With audible and visual alarms that respond within 0.5 seconds, plus an LCD screen that turns red at high concentrations, you get clear, instant warnings. Compact and portable, it includes batteries and is easy to use after a short warm-up. Ideal for homeowners, RV users, and DIY eras to detect and prevent hazardous gas leaks. Your desk deserves more than a basic charger. The OxyGear CyberDock wireless charging station combines power and style with an iPhone with a car model 1:25 scale design inspired by a futuristic truck. This Qi 2 certified MagSafe charger for iPhone, iWatch, and AirPods delivers fast 15-watt charging and includes a 30-watt adapter. The advanced 3-in-1 wireless charger supports Apple, Samsung, and other Qi devices. A rotating charger with ambient light adds hands-free viewing and a sleek glow. It's built for safe, clutter-free charging at home or work. Breakdowns never wait for a convenient moment. The Bayu Car Jump Starter Kit is a 7-in-1 multifunction jump starter and universal battery built for real roadside emergencies. It works as a portable 12-volt 1,500 ampere auto jump box to start dead batteries fast, plus a 150 PSY tire inflator and air compressor with smart preset modes. You also get a 19,000 pascals car vacuum cleaner and universal battery, and a cordless pressure washer for deep cleaning anywhere. Designed for road trips, it powers, inflates, washes, and protects when you need it most. Open it, and the pages glow instead of turning. The Zbole wooden book lamp blends art and function with LED ambient lighting in a creative, personalized shape made of Tyvek degradable material. Designed as magnetic mood lighting for home and library decor, it folds 360 degrees into round or half-circle forms for reading, bedside, or accent use. This portable, rechargeable lamp runs 6 to 8 hours on a 700 mAh battery. Perfect as book lovers' gifts or teacher appreciation gifts for women, it adds warmth, style, and practical light anywhere. Peace of mind starts with knowing what's happening at home. The Funstorm security camera is a 4K HD mini nanny cam for home with night vision that delivers sharp detail through upgraded lenses and a 110 degrees wide view. This Wi-Fi indoor camera offers 100 days of long battery life powered by a 2600 mAh rechargeable battery. With motion detection, instant alerts, and remote viewing through an easy app, this wireless surveillance cam keeps you connected anywhere. It's designed to monitor, protect, and record your space, day, or night. Stay fresh wherever you go with the Redsack electric portable bidet, a travel-ready, rechargeable USB-C handheld high-pressure sprayer. Its smart foldable water storage holds 6.8 ounces, powered by a 2000 mAh battery for long-lasting use. Perfect for personal cleaning for men and women, it's ideal for camping, wound care, pregnancy, or elderly hygiene. The high-pressure system offers 2 customizable spray levels for efficient, soothing cleaning. Quick to fill, leak-proof, and compact with a foldable handle and elegant storage box, this bidet ensures hygiene, convenience, and privacy on the go. Achieve precise alignment effortlessly with the Fanttik Pocket Green Laser Level, a 100-foot self-leveling cross-line laser designed for home DIY and picture hanging. Its bright green laser is 4 times more visible than red, providing accuracy within 1/8 inch at 30 feet. Featuring 3 60-degree rotations, pulse mode, and a magnetic bracket, it easily attaches to metallic surfaces. Powered by a Type-C rechargeable 2200 mAh battery, it runs up to 10 hours. Compact and portable with a carrying pouch, this laser level combines durability, precision, and convenience for any project. Transform your advertising and events with the Hologram 3D Hologram Fan, a 22-inch holographic video advertising projector featuring 768 HD LEDs. Its immersive video wall experience creates larger-than-life visuals that captivate audiences for bars, shops, holidays, and exhibitions. Effortless plug-and-play setup requires no screws, while the app, Wi-Fi, remote, and Bluetooth enable easy content management and synchronized audio. With 1,500 videos in its library, customizable playback, and scheduled power options, this 3D hologram fan delivers stunning, vivid visuals and dynamic color, making every presentation or display unforgettable and engaging. Elevate your coffee experience with the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug, a 14-ounce app-controlled heated coffee cup designed to keep beverages perfectly warm. This bundle includes the Ember mug, 2-inch sage green, a splash-proof sliding lid, and a signature series microfiber cloth. With 80 minutes of battery life, you can set precise temperatures between 120 degrees Fahrenheit and 145 degrees Fahrenheit via the Ember app or rely on its memory function. Sleek, durable, and easy to clean, this smart mug ensures every sip of coffee or tea is consistently enjoyable. Turn your ideas into reality. The Kode all-in-one device is an open-source tool built for makers, hackers, and geeks, featuring an AMOLED touchscreen, IR and NFC RFID GPIOs, and an app launcher. It combines your entire maker desk into one pocket-sized device, letting you code in your favorite IDE and instantly create apps. Experiment with robotics, IoT, AI, or games, and customize Hammy with accessories. With built-in battery power, USB-C, and programmable GPIOs, it's perfect for prototyping, controlling devices, and exploring community projects, making creation effortless anytime, anywhere. Bring your audio to life. The Sound Blaster Modular Audio Hub redefines sound for a new generation, combining a powerful DAC and amp with modular, swappable hardware. Customize your setup with programmable controls, retro gaming, and AI-powered apps, routing every input and output exactly how you want. Instantly mute calls, launch games, or control devices with one tap. Designed for creators and gamers, it simplifies workflows, drives studio-grade speakers, and gives full root access to hardware. The Reimagine Hub is more than a device, it's a platform to shape your audio world. Stay powered wherever you go. The CorePlus pocket-size power bank is a 27,000 mAh portable powerhouse with a 200-watt AC socket, triple 140-watt Type-C fast charging, a 100-watt DC port, and a wireless charger. Designed for daily life, it keeps phones, laptops, wearables, and more fully charged. Its swappable battery system lets you extend power instantly, while the intelligent display shows real-time input, output, and temperature. Airplane safe and compact, CorePlus is perfect for travel, camping, or emergencies, ensuring reliable energy for all your devices without the bulk of traditional power solutions. Tackle repairs with ease. The Strebito electric screwdriver is a 144-in-1 precision screwdriver set designed for electronics, PCs, computers, and laptops. It includes a mini electric screwdriver, a precision manual driver, 120 magnetic bits, and 22 repair tools, all organized for portability. With adjustable torque from 0.15 to 0.5 Newton meters, a 200 revolutions per minute speed, and a rechargeable 350 mAh battery, it delivers efficiency and control. Magnetic tools and a project mat keep screws and parts secure, making this small tool kit essential for IT technicians, PC builders, and electronics enthusiasts. Never be left in the dark. The Tunenge Keychain flashlights are 650 high-lumen EDC pocket flashlights designed for camping, outdoors, and emergencies. Their ultra-long battery life delivers up to 40 hours of light after just 45 minutes of charging. The compact 2.36-inch by 0.63-inch aluminum body is IP66 waterproof and drop-resistant, making it perfect for hiking, night dog walks, or precision tasks. With 5 lighting modes and a reach of 358 feet, this mini flashlight offers reliable, portable illumination for everyday carry and outdoor adventures. Make writing effortless anywhere. The Yeemo Mini Brass Bolt-Action Pen is a handmade EDC pocket pen measuring 76 mm and weighing just 20 grams. Its smooth bolt-action design lets you deploy the tip quickly, combining practicality with the fun of a small mechanical tool. Crafted from brass with a stylish keychain, it's durable, rugged, and perfect for on-the-go use. Compact and pocket-friendly, it comes with 2 replacement refills and a gift box, making it a practical, personalized pen ideal for everyday carry and thoughtful gifting. Be ready for anything. The Gerber Gear Dime Multitool is a 12-in-1 EDC tool designed for everyday carry, featuring needle nose pliers, wire cutters, tweezers, a bottle opener, and a pocket knife. Crafted from durable stainless steel with a butterfly opening and locking mechanism, it keeps tools secure and accessible. Compact and lightweight, it fits on a keychain or in your pocket, making it perfect for camping, fishing, hiking, or daily tasks. This versatile multi-tool is an essential piece of EDC gear and a practical gift for men. Stay organized on the go. The Nishel Travel Cord Organizer case is a double-layer tech electronic bag designed to keep chargers, cables, phones, flash drives, and other essentials neatly stored. Its dual-layer structure, elastic straps, zippered mesh pockets, and pouches make it easy to separate and access items quickly. With a lightweight, compact design and convenient handle, it fits effortlessly in your backpack. Made from high-quality synthetic materials, this medium-sized organizer protects your electronics from scratches and bumps, making it an essential companion for travel and daily tech management. Take control of your grooming routine. The Familife Manicure Set is a professional 11-in-1 stainless steel kit designed for hands, feet, and face. Equipped with nail clippers, pedicure tools, and precision instruments, it meets all your manicure and pedicure needs for men, boys, and seniors. Each tool fits securely in the portable brown leather travel case, with protective cloth to prevent scratches. Lightweight and ergonomic, this luxury grooming kit makes trimming hard or thick nails easy, and also serves as a stylish gift for him while traveling or at home. That wraps up our look at the best EDC gear of 2026. Which of these cool gadgets was your favorite? Are you rocking the new MagSafe power banks, or do you prefer a classic minimalist folding knife? Let me know in the comments. We respond to as many as we can. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more EDC reviews and tech unboxings. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the everyday carry essentials mentioned today. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next one.